Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel and a very happy new year to all of you. Also, we have a giveaway at the end of the video, so don't forget to stay tuned till the end to know the details of the giveaway. So as you can already see from the title, today's video is going to be about certain product empties, certain products that I've used up before and whether I'll be repurchasing those in the year 2022 or whether you should even purchase those in the year 2022. So now, without any further ado, let's get started with the first video of 2022. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be talking about is this Body Cupid 24K Gold Skin Glow Enhancer Body Scrub. So this is what it looks like. The packaging itself is supremely nice and it contains gold mica, cocoa butter and walnut shell powder. Well, it's also paraben free and sulfate free with premium botanical oils. This is the packaging, which looks lovely. And this one is 200 ml and retails for 499 rupees. I, however, got this for a 50% off. Now, this one has to be one of my favorite body scrubs. Plus, it's really nice and affordable. Now, this thing feels really nice and luxurious. The packaging is great and also the consistency of the scrub is really nice. The scrub particles are neither too harsh or nor they're too smooth. So, you will not feel like you're not even scrubbing. And at the same time, you will not feel like you're literally harshly rubbing your skin. Also, the consistency of this thing is really nice. It kind of glides on your skin and gives your skin a really nice glow. I, however, would like to use this more during the summer months because I just feel that the consistency of this thing makes it perfect for like a summer scrub. I've also purchased another body scrub from the Body Cupid, which is in the variant of the rose gold scrub, and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm currently using it. I've already run out of this one. So I'm definitely going to be repurchasing it once I'm done with the other rose gold scrub. So whether you should buy this thing or not in the year 2022, definitely it's a yes. Definitely go and get this thing. It's going to be so nice. So the next thing that I have is a very hyped product. So it's the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think every YouTuber has kind of spoken about this sometime or the other. Retails for $5.99 and this one is 200 grams. So again, this is what the packaging looks like. A very basic sort of a packaging. I have heard a lot of YouTubers saying that they love this product, that this product really works for them. They have recommended this thing, but I have chemically treated hair. Like I have smoothened my hair and also I have colored my hair, and I have used this thing last year. I did use like this entire tub. I finished up this entire tub, but I have to like be honest, this didn't work for me at all and I just didn't like it at all. You know, the worst thing about buying something with your own money is that if you get something as a PR package or even as a collab, you can kind of just be like, acha nahi laga, so you can just waste it. But if you're buying something with your own money, it'll feel so hard to just kind of throw it away. So I had to use this one, all of it. I had to use this. It was so bad. I mean, honestly, it was literally bad. Now, I don't know whether this particular hair mask didn't work for me or whether I kind of made a mistake while applying it. Like I did emulsify it nice and well and I kind of like followed all the steps that were mentioned. But if you guys have used this and it has worked for you, then don't forget to comment down below because I want to know that if this thing works for others as well or it just didn't work for me. Definitely, I will not be repurchasing this thing in the year 2022. Whether you guys should buy it, I mean, if you go by my opinion and if I am to like say about my experience, I would not recommend you guys to buy this product. But again, as I said, a lot of people do say that they like it. A lot of people do recommend using this. But if you go by my recommendations, I will not suggest you to buy this product. Now, the next thing that I have is again another very hype product. So this is the Mamaearth Charcoal Face Wash with activated charcoal and coffee. 100 ml. This thing retails for 249 rupees and this is paraben sulfate free, dermatologically tested and for oily skin. So this is what it looks like. Now again, before buying this, I had seen all over YouTube people literally recommending this everywhere, raving about this product, how it works wonders for their skin. So I was literally so excited when I picked this product up because I was like, this is going to do wonders to my skin as well. I have oily skin type and at the time I was really struggling with my acne and my pimples. And I was like, this product is definitely going to work for me because everyone is recommending to, like use this product. I picked it up. Along with that, I also use the tea tree face wash. I don't have uska packaging right now, so I can't show you guys. I started using both of these. So I kind of use this charcoal face wash for my morning routine and the tea tree face wash for my nighttime routine to like kind of see whether it really works or not. And none of them, like both the face washes I just found were useless. Now I don't know if something's wrong with me, but I personally didn't like a single Mamaearth product that I've used. A lot of people love Mamaearth and like a friend of mine has tried the charcoal face wash. She has absolutely loved it, but I just don't know. I didn't like any of the products that I've tried. I mean, like this is such a high product and it's pretty expensive as well. I mean, for 100 ml of a face wash, if you're spending 250 rupees, it is pretty expensive. And I mean, for the hype, this thing is like so not worth it. So definitely not going to repurchase it in the year 2022 and never will recommend anyone to repurchase. I mean, if it works for you, you are lucky, but I just don't know. Mamaearth has some personal problem with me. It doesn't work on my skin type. Okay, so the next product empty that I'm going to be talking about is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel Ultra Soothing Matte Look Oil Control Sunscreen. Comes with PA3+ UVA SPF 50 with UVB for normal to oily skin. So much of information. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. This is the smaller packaging, by the way, and this thing is for 315 rupees, 50 grams. So this comes in two packagings, like there is 100 gram and then there is this 50 grams. I have used this thing for like, I think this is like my fifth tube or fifth bottle. I have been absolutely loving this sunscreen. In fact, this was the first sunscreen that I ever used. Now for oily skin type people, this sunscreen is like a blessing. It's like so nice. The texture is so nice. And the best thing is that during the summers, it kind of gets instantly absorbed on your skin. It does not make your skin look oily, greasy, tacky, no white cast. It's such a nice gel-based formula. It is great for oily skin types. And the best thing is that you can kind of literally layer your makeup on top of the sunscreen. It's not going to look very cakey. It's like very perfect. It almost feels like your second skin. For me, I just feel that during the summer months, it's okay. But during the winters, this kind of just gets a little too dry on my skin type. So during the winter months, it is not the perfect sunscreen for me. But during the summers, it's like the ideal one. Now, whether I would repurchase this or not, this is like a little bit of a tricky question. Of course, this itself is like a repurchase. I have repurchased this, like as I said, 4 to 5 times. But like I think last year itself, Lakme has launched the matte sunscreen, like the matte gel sunscreen. Now Lakme is one brand that which kind of I have been loving Lakme. Lakme suits my skin like anything. And ever since Lakme has launched that sunscreen, I've already picked it up, I've already used it. So since the fact that Lakme has launched a similar sunscreen, I will not repurchase this one. I'll stick to Lakme. But if you guys want to purchase this, I'll definitely recommend. In fact, as I said, if Lakme had not launched that gel sunscreen, I would have definitely repurchased this one. But I'm like a little bit biased towards Lakme. So since Lakme has a similar product, I'll go with that one. But this one is like totally worth the buy. If you want to buy like a gel-based sunscreen, you have oily skin type, want to buy a gel-based sunscreen, this is perfect. Definitely invest in this one. It's worth every bit of your money. Okay, so the next product empty that I'm going to be talking about is the Wow Skin Sciences Aloe Vera Sleeping Pack with aloe, barberries, leaf juice, green tea extract, hyaluronic acid, and it's an overnight skin rejuvenation face pack. So this is what it looks like, and again, this is paraben as well as silicone free, no color or mineral oil. So this is what it looks like. Now the retail price is 349 and this is 100 ml. Now the reason I picked up this thing is because it contains aloe vera as well as green tea. Now for my skin type, aloe vera, green tea and tea tree, these are the 3 ingredients which kind of suit my skin like anything. So if I'm picking up something which is aloe vera or green tea, it kind of absolutely works great for my skin. So that was the reason I picked this thing up, and also it contains hyaluronic acid. But the thing about this one is that it doesn't really get absorbed that fast. I had used it during like, the September, October months. It was neither too, hot nor too cold. So using it during that time, it didn't get really absorbed fast. Also, it kind of, transfers onto my pillow, which is a little bit of a mess for me. And the thing about this one is that I personally felt after using this entire bottle, like I finished it up entirely, is that it didn't really do a lot for my skin. This is a sleeping pack, so I use it for my nighttime routine. Now, when I'm using something for my nighttime routine, I want it to be like absolutely the best for my skin. In fact, if it's something for my morning skincare routine, I can still be like, okay, fine, it works, it doesn't work. But I am absolutely very specific about my night routine. So if I'm using something for my night routine, I do want it to work so that the next morning I kind of wake up with nice, fresh and hydrated looking skin. This one doesn't really give anything of that. So also, like after using this thing for almost 2 months, my skin didn't really feel any different. I mean, very different from the other skincare products that I was using. So it didn't really feel any exceptional difference to it, or neither would I say that I kind of saw any nice changes on my skin. Of course, this thing didn't break me out. It didn't cause any acne, any rashes, but it didn't really do anything for my skin type as well. So overall, I will not repurchase this one. I won't really suggest anyone to repurchase or purchase this thing by that matter in the year 2022. Because I just feel that if you're purchasing, if you're spending your money on something, then it should be something which is like totally worth every bit of the money you're spending. It's not like, okay, chalo, it's for 349, so you can go and spend. No, if you're spending 349 itself, it should be something that is every bit worth for the price you're paying. So now the next product that I have is the Kaya Youth's Hydro Replenish Light Aloe Vera Gel with 99% pure aloe vera. So this is what the thing looks like. The amount is 100 grams, retails for 299 rupees. Now I guess I picked up a lot of Kaya products last year, and I guess all of them were for a sale, so I picked up like a bunch of those. I picked up some makeup removers, I picked up this aloe vera gel, I picked up a night lotion, and also I picked up I think a day cream. But most of them I was not very happy with, except for like a few of those. Now coming to this aloe vera gel, well, it's a pretty decent aloe vera gel. It is not colored, it does not have any artificial colors, it's pretty colorless, it's transparent. But I guess the consistency, I didn't quite like the consistency. Like when you're applying it on your skin, it's still fine, but I guess after some time when it tends to like, you know, dry or get absorbed, it kind of feels a little bit tacky on your skin. Also, it does have a weird fragrance to it, which I personally don't like. I mean, it's not a very, you know, natural sort of a fragrance. It's a very weird artificial sort of a fragrance, which is also present in their night lotion or the night cream, which I personally didn't quite like. And I guess to the price, which is like 100 ml, you're paying 300 rupees. I guess there are a lot of cheaper options out there. Like you can definitely get one from Patanjali or from BoroPlus. They are a lot cheaper as compared to this one. Even Vaseline has launched their aloe vera gel, so you can definitely try out a lot of cheaper options and like better than this one. This thing, I just don't feel that you need to buy this. I bought it because 50% off tha, and I was actually out of my aloe vera gel at that time. I didn't have an aloe vera gel, so I kind of bought this thing. But overall, I don't think this is something you should definitely spend on. Also, I have used aloe vera gels from I think 7-8 different brands. So if you guys want me to kind of do like a comparison and which aloe vera gel you should buy, which one is the best and which one is not, so you can definitely comment down below and I'll make a video on that as well. Okay, and the last product template that I have is the Body Shop's Tea Tree Squeaky Clean Scrub 100 ml, and this thing is very expensive. Retails for $7.95. So this is what it looks like. Now you won't even have to guess it. I absolutely love this face scrub, and in fact I have already made 2 get ready with me videos where I have used this face scrub for cleansing my face before putting my makeup on, and I absolutely love this face scrub. In fact, there is also no question of repurchasing because I've already repurchased 3 quantities of this thing even before I ran out of this one, because I'm like, I absolutely love this, so there is no point I'm running out of this. So I just even picked up those before I ran out of this one. This is like something that I absolutely been loving. I love the consistency, I love the texture, I love the smell, I love the way it looks, I love the way it makes my skin feel, and blah blah blah, and a whole lot of it. This is like perfect. Also, I guess this thing is the most expensive product empty of the thing that I've showed you guys, but this is every bit worth your money. Like as I said, I wouldn't mind paying a lot of money for something which really works for my skin. Similarly, I will not even want to pay 100 rupees for something that does not work for my skin. So it is like, if I'm paying something, it should be worth the money that I'm paying, and this thing totally justifies every bit of the money you're paying for this one. The consistency, as I said, is really good, and if you have oily skin type, even acne prone skin type, this thing works wonders. So in the year 2022, if you have to buy one product, then definitely save your money. Go and buy this particular scrub. It's going to last you for a long time. You'll need a very little amount, like a pea-size amount, and it's going to last you for a long time. But this is, as I said, every bit worth the money. So yeah guys, that was about the video, and those were the products that I wanted to share with you. Rather, these were the product empties that I wanted to share with you, and also whether you should purchase these in the year 2022, whether you should spend your money on these years, whether they are even worth it or not. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, the product that I've used and I didn't like, if you people have liked it, like the Mamaearth hair mask or the Mamaearth face wash, if you have liked it, if you have used it, then don't forget to comment down below so I'll get to know whether it didn't work for me or it does not work for anyone for that matter. And also, if you guys have used any of the products that I've liked and didn't like it, then also don't forget to comment down below so I'll get to know that how these products work for everyone and not just for me, because it's like so good to know which things work for whom and which thing doesn't work for whom. And now coming to today's giveaway, this is gonna be a Myntra giveaway. We'll be giving away Myntra vouchers of rupees 250, and there's gonna be 10 winners this time. The details of this giveaway will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check out the description box. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon in the brand new video. So till then, stay tuned and take care, and a happy new year.